Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I did this Thanksgiving inspired tutorial. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. And to prep my eyes for this look, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 and pat that all over my lid. And then I'll be taking the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to mix both of the green shades on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending that into the inner portion of my crease. And now I'll be taking the light green shade on a fluffier brush, and I'm going to make sure that is all diffused and blended. And now I'll be taking the red shade from the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and start placing that on my outer corner of my crease, and I'm going to keep it really tight in my crease. I'm not going to blend this out much because I'm going to take the orange and blend it out on a fluffier brush. Now I'll be picking up the yellow shade on a fluffier brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into the orange and a little bit of the green as well, but I'm going to mainly focus it on the orange just so it gives it like a glowing effect. Using the P. Louise base again, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp out my half cut crease. Now I'll be taking all the same brushes and all the same shades that I used, and I'm going to go ahead and blend those onto the lid. First I'll start with the red and then the orange, and then I'll bring the yellow forward. And then for the lid I decided to go with a gold, so I'm going to take the gold from the James Charles palette and I'm going to pat that onto my lid. And once I place all those shades down, I'm going to go ahead and take all the same brushes again and bring those back a little and make sure they're all blended out. And now for my under eyes, I'm going to take the same shades in the same order, except I'm not going to use the green, and I'm going to keep the yellow in my inner corner. And now for lashes, I'm going to take Moxie Lash in the style Baddy. And I kind of felt like this look needed a little more in my opinion, so I took some of these chunky glitters. They were kind of like gold iridescent ones, so I went ahead and placed those in my inner corner. Now I'll be taking Anastasia X Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my nose, and my chin. And for my lips, I went ahead and mixed a little bit of Fenty Beauty's Unveil and Unbutton, and I went ahead and lined my lips, and then I'm going to fill it in with just Unbutton alone. Now I'll be taking the NYX Jumbo White Liner and placing that in my waterline. And then I'll be taking the Makiage ink liner in black and drawing a little star. And then I'll be spraying my face, and I'll be pressing it in with my beauty sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really love how this Thanksgiving inspired look came out. I think it's like colorful but also like Thanksgiving / fall vibes. I don't know, I really love it. Anyway, any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload a video. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at rosaxrobles. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.